Good morning, kids. How do you do? I hope you enjoyed your weekend very nicely and so much activity work was also given to you. I think your collection has grown bigger. When it becomes bigger, we feel happy. You have passed class 2 and now you are promoted to the next class, that is class 3. Last year you were 7 years old and now you will be 8 years old. And next year you will be 9 years. You are growing and years are added on. I would like to do one activity with you, as I promised that we will be doing warm-up activity on the first day of the new topic. And if you remember, we have done the place value chart also, in which I told you that there are 4 places which we be doing: ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Today the activity which I am going to do is hanger and peg activity. This is cloth hanger and these are cloth clips which are called pegs also. So children, here I have put 2 clips and the place is ones. So 2 ones make 2. Now I take green clips also and I put on tens. I take 1 clip to it and 1 more to ones. There are 3 clips in ones and 2 clips in tens. Now 100 is left. Here I place only 1 clip and that is white in color. Alright, now you can read very easily if you remember the place value chart. 1 clip in 1000, this becomes 1000. 1 in 100, 100. 2 in tens, 2 tens, and 3 in ones. So if we give the standard form to it, then it becomes 1123. Now bache, I am going to ask you what is the next number to it. You will add 1 to ones. Alright. And here I add 1 onto it and you say, now you can very easily find out which is the next number. You will count these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, the forward counting. Another name I am giving you, when you add something onto it, then we can call it the forward counting also. So I have placed 1, rather I would like to place one more to it and another clip. I have placed 4 clips to ones. Now how many clips are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now let's add on 1 more to tens. Now earlier we had 2 tens, means 20. Now I add 1 more to it. How many clips are here now? 3 clips in tens column. So 3 tens the 30. I add on 3 more to 100. Alright. And I don't add on to 1000. I just leave it like this only. Now you can add the numbers very easily. See, my first number was the addend. These are called addends. This is also addend and this is also addend. The answer which you will be getting, that is called sum. Alright. Now 3 plus 4. Do the forward counting, bacha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And here 3 tens and 4 hundreds and 1000 remains the same. So the answer which we are getting is 1430 sevens. This activity is very effective in learning this concept. So I wish if you can also do this activity. There are so many cloth clips at home, and you can ask mama to give you one hanger also, so that you can also do this activity. We can do this activity for subtraction as well, and even the multiplication also, which I will be doing when these concepts come. All right, so now you can take out the answer by seeing only. The main thing you have to keep in mind, you have to pick up the different colors for the different places. All right, thank you बच्चे.